Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue using egg white. Meringue is a delightful, airy confection that adds elegance to many desserts. It's essentially a stable foam created by whipping egg whites and gradually incorporating sugar. We'll cover the simple steps to achieve that perfect, glossy, and stiff meringue, ready for baking or topping. Get ready to transform humble egg whites into something truly magical with just a few ingredients and a little technique. To begin your meringue journey, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 3 large egg whites, carefully separated from their yolks, as even a tiny bit of yolk can prevent proper whipping. Have 100 grams of superfine granulated sugar ready. Its fine texture dissolves easily. Crucially, use a very clean, grease-free mixing bowl, preferably glass or metal, and a whisk or electric mixer. Any fat residue will hinder the egg whites from reaching their full potential. Now for the exciting part, whipping those egg whites. Begin by whisking your egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy and opaque, resembling soft clouds. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, start adding your superfine sugar. Continue whipping, gradually increasing the speed to high until the meringue forms stiff, glossy peaks. When you lift the whisk, the meringue should stand firm and tall, and feel smooth between your fingers. Once your meringue is perfectly whipped, it's time to bake. Gently pipe or spoon your meringue onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For crisp, dry meringues, bake them at a very low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow baking process can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on their size. After baking, turn off the oven and let the meringues cool completely inside. This prevents cracking and ensures a beautifully crisp texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.